We at Hunter understand that wiring your fan can seem like the scariest part of installing a fan. We're here to make it easy. In fact, we're going to walk you through how to do it in this quick video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful. If you're ready, let's get started. First things first, turn off the power at the wall switch and the circuit breaker. When wiring your fan, push the bare metal ends of the wires together. Slide a wire nut over them, then twist the wire nut clockwise until it's tight. Give it a gentle tug to make sure none of the wires are loose. If you have a fan with a pre-installed receiver, connect the white grounded wire from the ceiling to the white wire from the fan. The black ungrounded wire from the ceiling to the black wire from the fan. The 3 grounding wires from the ceiling, downrod, and hanging bracket. And cap the blue wire from the fan with a wire nut. If you have a dual switch, connect the remaining ungrounded wire from the ceiling to the blue wire from the fan with a wire nut. Make sure each connection is secure and tuck the wires into the outlet box. Lift the canopy into place so the screw holes are aligned with the hanging bracket. Insert the canopy screws. This video is being provided to supplement what is included within your owner's manual. Please consult it as needed. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful how-to tips.